everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my top 10 natural lung infection treatments that you can do right at home. Before we jump into the treatments, let's do a quick overview of the lungs and lung infections. Our lungs are one of the most important organs in our bodies. They are responsible for breathing and getting oxygen into our bloodstream. The lungs are very delicate and can be damaged by infections like pneumonia, bronchitis, and the flu. These lung infections are often caused by viruses, bacteria, or fungi. They can cause symptoms like coughing, difficulty breathing, chest pain, and fever. If left untreated, lung infections can become very serious and even life-threatening. That's why it's so important to treat them quickly and properly. Antibiotics are commonly used to treat bacterial lung infections, but there are also many natural remedies that can help too. In fact, using natural treatments alongside conventional medicine is a smart approach. In this video, I'll be sharing my top 10 favorite natural ways to help treat lung infections and relieve uncomfortable symptoms. These are remedies you can easily do in the comfort of your own home with ingredients you may already have in your kitchen. By the end of this video, you'll have a helpful list of natural remedies to try if you or someone in your family develops a lung infection like bronchitis, pneumonia, or the flu. Knowing these natural treatments can help you find relief fast and may even help shorten the duration of the illness. I do want to quickly note that these natural remedies should not replace any medications or treatment plans prescribed by your doctor. Always speak to your physician first if you have a lung infection, and let them know you'd like to use some natural remedies as a complement to the medical treatments. All right, now that we have the basics covered, let's count down my top 10 all-natural lung infection treatments. Make sure you watch until the very end because you don't want to miss any of these awesome home remedies. Number 10, stay hydrated. Keeping yourself hydrated is crucial when you're sick. Drinking lots of fluids helps thin out mucus so it's easier to expel from the lungs. Water, broths, and herbal teas are great options. Aim for at least 8 glasses of fluid per day when trying to treat a lung infection. You'll want to avoid alcohol and sugary drinks as those can make dehydration worse. Number 9, peppermint. Peppermint contains menthol, which helps relax respiratory muscles and thin mucus. This makes it easier to cough up phlegm from the lungs. Try sipping on peppermint tea or add some peppermint oil to hot water and inhale the steam. This can help clear nasal congestion too. The soothing aroma of peppermint may also ease headaches or sore throats that often come with lung infections. Number 8. Turmeric. Turmeric contains the powerful compound curcumin, which has strong anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties. This makes turmeric a star when it comes to natural lung infection treatments. Add turmeric to soups, smoothies, or tea. You can also take it as a supplement, but check with your doctor on dosage recommendations first. The curcumin in turmeric will help reduce inflammation in the lungs and speed up recovery. Number 7. Garlic. Garlic has antimicrobial and antibacterial properties that can help kill off infections in the lungs. It also helps boost immunity and acts as a natural decongestant. Add fresh minced garlic to soups, stews, and salads. You can also take garlic capsules or drink garlic tea. The active compounds in garlic called allicin are what provide the infection-fighting benefits. Number 6. Ginger. Like garlic, ginger also has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. It can help soothe inflamed airways and loosen up mucus. Fresh ginger works well in teas, soups, and stir-fry dishes. You can also drink ginger ale or take ginger supplements after getting your doctor's okay. The gingerol in ginger is beneficial for treating lung infections. Number 5. Chicken soup. This classic home remedy has science behind it. Chicken soup helps thin out mucus lodged in the lungs. The hot steam also provides moisture to respiratory tracts, which can provide relief. Add plenty of vegetables like carrots and onions to your homemade chicken soup. This nourishes your body with vitamins and minerals necessary to beat an infection. Sip this healing soup throughout the day when suffering from a lung illness. Number 4. Honey. Honey has natural antimicrobial traits that make it useful for treating lung infections. It also coats and soothes sore throats that often accompany respiratory illnesses. Stir some honey into warm tea or lemon water. You can also add it to homemade cough drops. Honey works to fight infections and reduce coughing caused by irritated airways. Number 3. Oregano oil. Oil of oregano contains thymol and carvacrol, 2 compounds that have antibiotic properties. This makes oregano oil helpful for treating bacterial lung infections like pneumonia or bronchitis. Add a few drops of oregano oil to hot tea or soup. You can also dilute it with a carrier oil and rub it on your chest. Only ingest this oil for up to 2 weeks and avoid it if you take blood thinners or are pregnant. Number 2, vitamin C. Vitamin C helps boost immunity, which is key when fighting lung infections. It also acts as a natural antihistamine, which dries up excess mucus secretions. Eat plenty of vitamin C foods like oranges, grapefruits, strawberries, or red bell peppers. You can also take a daily vitamin C supplement of about 500 to 1,000 milligrams. Just make sure to stay below 2,000 milligrams per day. Number 1, steam therapy. Inhaling warm, moist air helps open airways and loosen mucus from lungs. This provides immediate relief when congested. To do steam therapy, boil a large pot of water. Remove it from heat and place your head over the pot carefully with a towel draped over you. Breathe deeply for 5 to 10 minutes. For extra benefits, add herbs or essential oils to the water like menthol, peppermint, or eucalyptus. There you have it, my top 10 go-to natural remedies for helping to treat and soothe lung infections. From staying hydrated to steam therapy, these natural treatments can provide relief when used along with any medical treatment plans from your doctor. I highly recommend adding things like garlic, turmeric, ginger, vitamin C, honey, and chicken soup into your diet when you're dealing with respiratory illness. Herbal teas with peppermint or oregano oil are also extremely beneficial. And don't forget the power of steam therapy. These natural remedies have antimicrobial, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties that can help fight off infections in the lungs. They also work to thin mucus, calm coughs, and soothe irritated airways. When used consistently, they may help shorten the duration of lung illnesses. The great thing is that most of these natural remedies utilize common ingredients you can easily find in your kitchen. However, you'll always want to get a doctor's opinion before using new supplements like oregano oil. Thanks for watching today's video on my top 10 natural lung infection treatments. I hope you learned something new and feel empowered to use natural remedies to complement medical treatment for any respiratory illness. Before I sign off, I want to quickly remind you to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content like this in the future. I make weekly videos to help educate and empower you all on your health journeys. Your support by subscribing really helps me continue this mission. I also want to mention that while the natural remedies discussed today are generally safe for most people, you should always talk to a doctor before trying new supplements or drastically changing your diet. Only a physician can properly diagnose and treat lung infections. If you found this video helpful, please share it with anyone you think could benefit from learning about natural lung infection remedies. Knowledge is power, and your shares allow me to help more people, which is ultimately my goal. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.